So first thing first, let's load our dataset. Our dataset is being loaded into Power BI. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So our dataset is being uploaded. It's gonna take some time, I guess. So close to 20,000 rows are there in the dataset. So finally it's loaded into Power BI notebook, as you can see on the extreme right side. So let's build our dashboard. So first thing first, let's change the canvas background. Let's make it okay, light orange. Yeah. So let's build our first card. So let's show average active listings to this card by having listing active in the fields, active count, and making it average. So that's the average active listings. Let's remove category label, switch on title, average active listings. Okay. Keeping font to Arial black, keeping it in center. And let's change the aesthetic appeal of it as well. Going to effects, making background. Okay. Here white, visual border on, making 20x, 24x, shadow on, keeping it white. Okay. So, so yeah. And keeping title to white, making it Arial black. Let's change it. Okay. So similarly, let's build our second card and third card. The second card, let's showcase total shop sales. So for this, let's have sales count over here and keeping it in sum. It's already at. And let's change the title to total. Just a second. Changing it.